Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block all ads on your iPhone using built-in settings. No third-party apps needed. Let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Once inside, scroll again and tap on Apple Advertising. You'll see a toggle for personalized ads. Make sure that is turned off. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap on Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it on. Under the Privacy section, tap on Apple Advertising and select the Don't Allow option. Finally, head back to the main settings screen, scroll down, and tap on Safari. In here, make sure the toggle for Block Pop-ups is turned on to stop annoying ads while browsing the web. And that's it. With these few changes, you've blocked most of the ads on your iPhone and improved your overall privacy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.